Idealo is Europe's biggest price comparison service. So we are talking about 10,000 online shops roughly. And we have, of course, also the big marketplaces connected, eBay and Amazon. And especially with these two marketplaces, it is quite challenging to keep their data up to date because we are talking about billions of offers. And we do not just import the data from eBay and Amazon, we are also the keeper of the so-called offer store, which is the biggest database at Idealo. And that's the place where we put all the things together.
It sounds like there's a lot of data coming in, it's updated quite regularly, and you have to store a lot of rapidly evolving data as well. Let's pick up a few elements there. So first, in terms of just getting that data and how often that's updated, how do you do that?
Especially eBay and Amazon, they provide APIs, different APIs, and they have all their specifics. So the mass updates we receive via huge CSV or XML feeds, we get them every hour. And we have to check in the first step whether these updates from the shops are really relevant for Idealo, because not every field offered data set is really relevant for us. Yeah. And all the data then flow to the next components, and all our services are connected via Kafka. And then we have to store everything in this offer store, but not just store it there. We also have to provide to our downstream consumers at Idealo what has changed on the offer. And there are about 60 fields on every offer, which might change. We run around 20, 30, 40,000 queries per second, but every single query contains an in clause with thousands of IDs. So the work behind every single query is enormous.
Forgive me, did you say an in clause?
Yes.
What is an in clause?
You can ask for a single document.
Yeah.
You usually perform a find by ID. Say, okay, give me the document with a specific ID. Or you can also say, give me all the documents matching this list of IDs. And then you pass 1,000 IDs in a single query to the database. And then it's the task of the database to collect all these 1,000 documents from the different charts. And you get one single response. We need this raw power of reading data fast, and we optimized a lot on our code. So this 20 shard system we had in the data center with these huge nodes, we are now, for the same functionality, down to a 12 shard system with M80 nodes, so 2 tiers below the initial setup. I was told that Idealo was running the biggest on-premise MongoDB in Europe. From my developer's perspective, I'm really happy that we opted for MongoDB Atlas. It is really easy to use, and we never had the situation that something didn't perform as expected or that we're facing any problems or something like that. So from the technical perspective, it is a very good setup, but also the contact to our support engineers. They know our use cases, they know our usage patterns for the various databases, so they can help us best.